all, welcome to the Learning Zone. I know it's been too long that I have not posted any video, so here is the informational video. Okay, this video is about a physics concept which is mechanics. Let's talk about mechanics. What mechanics is, it is the oldest branch of physics which deals with the motion of the objects and also the objects at rest. So it includes the study of objects at rest and the study of objects in motion. So it includes various dynamics, it includes various terms which we are going to learn later in the videos, and it also includes the various sub-branches. And those sub-branches are, first is statics, and the second one is kinematics, and the third one is dynamics. First, let's talk about statics. As the word suggests, statics means stationary, so the objects at rest. So here we learn about the objects at rest, and for more information, it does not take into consideration the time calculated or the time required for the object to be at rest. Of course, you know, because the object is at rest, so there is no need for the calculation of the time, right? And the second one is dynamics. Dynamics is a Greek word which represents the power, right? So dynamics includes the motion of the objects, and it also includes the causes of motion, that how that motion has created. So this talks about dynamics. And third one is kinematics. There is a difference between kinematics and dynamics. In kinematics, in both the cases, we study the motion of the objects and its causes, its terms. But in kinematics, we do not consider the causes of motion, but in dynamics, we consider the causes of motion, that how the motion of the object has created. So here is some information video. Hope this was helpful. So let's discuss some of the few questions on physics, and it will actually generate your curiosity. Okay, the first question is, can an object have constant speed and varying velocity? It's very easy. It's motion only, it's uniform motion only, and the reason and the answer is in uniform circular motion. Yes, it is possible in uniform circular motion, because in uniform circular motion the object remains at constant speed at each and every point of the path, but at each and every path it changes its direction, and you know, if it changes its direction, that means its velocity is changing at each and every point on the path, and it also changes tangentially. So here is the answer. In uniform circular motion, the object has constant speed and it has varying velocity. Okay, and second question is, can object have zero velocity and still have acceleration? Is it possible? You might be thinking acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time, right? So if velocity is zero, the acceleration would definitely be zero, but it's not. Think. Okay, there is an example where velocity is zero, but it is still in under acceleration, and that case is when a ball is thrown upward. You know, at the highest point the velocity of the object is zero, right? And the kinetic energy is also zero, you know. So at the highest point the velocity is zero, but you know it is under gravitation. So because it is under gravitation, the acceleration of that object will be equal to the acceleration due to gravity. So A is equals to G, which is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So here is the information, some of the information. Hope this was helpful. Ta-da!